Welcome to Whisky Invest Direct, the smarter way to invest in whisky. Bulk trade bids are a great way to sell both small and large volumes of stock quickly, but prices and timing are determined by the mid-price value and the industry buyer, so you cannot always rely on these to sell your stock. You can easily monitor your portfolio and track value changes over time. You will find this on your Account Balance page by navigating to Account Balance on the ribbon at the top of the screen. It's also possible to monitor both pending and completed buy-sell orders by navigating to History Orders in the ribbon at the top of the screen. You can review pending orders and make adjustments as needed. To view your accounts and withdraw funds, you can log into the Accounts section to see your balance and manage funds. Whisky Invest Direct offers a smarter, more flexible way to invest in whisky. Sign up today and start building your whisky portfolio.